Hello, I'm William Gallagher, and this is the 58 Keys Script Club. It's a book club, but it's about scripts and screenplays. Yet again, multiple ones. I really want to talk to you about several scripts. In fact, I think it's 10 of them, but I'm going to try to focus on just one of the 10. This is about Justified, the US series that originally ran for 5 years from 2010 and then later came back for a sequel. I haven't seen the sequel, and actually I've only watched the first 3 seasons of the original show. I truly do not know why they haven't carried on. Yeah, possibly I haven't fully recovered from the first 3. But the reason that I would really like to talk to you about 10 Justified scripts is this. That's how many Justified episode scripts are available online. If there were 11, I would want to talk to you about 11. There are also 2 from the sequel. I'll link to the lot, actually, but today, like I say, I want to focus on one episode, and it's the pilot episode. And actually, I want to focus on that for one really specific storytelling reason. Actually, it's a reason that's in the online draft of the script. And funny, if the script isn't called Justified there, it's called Untitled Elmore Leonard Project by Graham Yost. I'm not fully sure how to pronounce his surname. I think it's Yost. This pilot episode, and actually the whole seasons that follow, are indeed based on an Elmore Leonard story. Actually, it's a short story. It's a short story called Fire in the Hole. One short story turned into 78 hours of television drama. Superb television drama. I haven't read the shorts. I'm not doing my job here. I haven't read the short story. And in this case, actually, I had seen the aired TV episode before I read the script. Too often, maybe, I'll read the script and not bother to watch, even if I enjoy it, because, I've read the script. It does mean I sometimes miss out on things. I mean, if the script is good enough and the budget wasn't cut or whatever, usually the differences are slight. Scenes might be in a different order. Scenes trimmed back, some scenes dropped. I'm fine with all that. There's just nothing very much to it. The script was all I needed. But in this case, I'm actually so glad that I watched, because, it's such a good show to watch. But also, there is this tiny change that is enormous. Justified is about US Deputy Marshal Raylan Givens, who gets into some trouble. Let's just skip bits here. Enough trouble that his boss, down in the thing I'm going to show you in a moment, reassigns him to get this man away from any more trouble, to spare his police outfit any more very bad publicity. Raylan is reassigned to Eastern Kentucky, which is where he grew up. It's where he knows the main marshal who's already there. In the script draft as written and available online, Raylan is told he has no choice but to be reassigned. Then he asks if, can I be sent to Eastern Kentucky for all of those reasons? He knows the place, all that stuff. And he gets it. He's sent. Not an unusual start to Cruise. Not a common one, but not really unusual. But as aired, there is this smallest of changes. Raylan does not asked to go to Eastern Kentucky. He is told that's where he's going, and he really, really does not want to go. That's all, but that is everything. Curiously, the dialogue in this part of the draft scripts online, the original version, he asks to go, it's a bit clunky. It's a bit exposition heavy. Raylan's boss is telling him what we need to know, and then Raylan is telling his boss a lot more that we apparently need to know. And then, as aired, the script, the scene is changed, it's rewritten, it's shorter. It's actually still is quite a bit of exposition, but it's much better, it's much subtler, it's much more natural, real conversation. And actually, the whole scene, I think, plays enormously better just because of that one change that sets up us for the rest of the show. There's no change in the rest of the script, but it's coloured differently. Here I am telling you that the aired version is therefore substantially better than the script draft we can read, and yet I'm still recommending you read it. Because, like I say, everything else in that pilot script is the same. It's just how we look at it because of that bit. And this is a superb pilot to read. Pilots are extraordinarily difficult to write. Just so difficult. And Graham Yost does this superb job. Plus, the other 9 scripts that are available by various writers, they are all uniformly a tremendous read on the page, and then they are a compelling watch on the screen as well. I tell you, I only talk about scripts that I like usually. I really like these. Stop listening to me, go read them. 10 great scripts starting with this pilot. Fantastic. But for now, that's it for this 58 Keys Script Club. Thanks very much for watching, but take care of yourself, eh? Write more, waggling finger, write more, and I'll see you soon.